Okay. Who is that? Is that Jung Ho or is that KJK? Hey guys, it's Sam here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got some more ATEEZ for us, and this is their comeback, but not really a comeback, but it's a partnership thing with Kim Jong Kook, who is the dude who was in the Black Cat Nero. He was in the group Turbo, so I've seen him on I think it's like Running Man or one of those other shows. I think it's Running Man that he's been on, but I waited for ATEEZ Day to get to this only because it's not officially their comeback. It's a partnership, but it's not just ATEEZ, if you will. And it's on his channel. I think it's on KQ Entertainment as well. But either way, obviously I have no idea what it's called. It's on Hangul up here, but let's go. OT8, let's go. You gotta put the sub in. All right, all right. Dude, look at the swagger and style on the boys. Swagger and style. Look at Son over here in the denim. Dude, man. All right, all right. It's like summer retro feels, man. Woo Young in the blue jersey looking good over there. I see you, Woo Young. Yo Song, all right. Yo Song in the jersey. My bad, my bad. That's Yo Song in the jersey. Hey, yo, this is a bop, dude. Get the sax in the bag. You got some dance moves going. Let's go. Yo Song's buttery voice. Man, I wish I could wear a fucking bucket hat. There's Woo Young. Woo Young in a white jersey. Let's go. Let's go. Happy to have. Hey, we got Songhwa rapping too. Okay, hey, look, man. It still like freaks with me in my brain that y'all told me he auditioned as a rapper. Like, and so like he got to rap on Dreamers, right? And like now he's rapping here. Give my man that is too beautiful, Songhwa, more rap lines. Let's go. Now that being said, obviously I've said it before. Hongjun and my guy Mingi, they got serious, like they're one of if not the best rap duo in K-pop. Like they both got flow, but let my man Songhwa get on there too, you know. They're going back and forth between the three of them. Let's go. All right, with the vocals, KJK, sorry, I know how to speak letters. Look at this man's legs. This man's legs are defined and huge. It's crazy how his voice is so soft. Like you see him and you don't think that he would sing like that, right? But his voice is so soft, it's great, man. I gotta put Songhwa out front though. I got Mingy in the back. Let's go. You're a fool. If you miss me, you're a fool. Let's go. Dude, how can you not just vibe and like put a smile on your face when this music is playing right now? Panthers jersey. Keekly, he retired. They got a Manning jersey. He's retired. Oh man, out front and center. Let's go. Look at Song getting it too. I was about to say, oh look, Jungkook's not really popping off, and then he just goes and does a little run right there. Stacy, I think he's talking to you. Let's go. Okay. Who is that? Is that Jungho or is that KJK? I gotta know. Like, I want to say it's Jungho, but like, I don't know. I want to say it's Jungho because like that's like Jungho's signature, dude. Like especially to go along with the saxophone note, like seasoned songs, like that screams Jungho to me, right? But like KJK looked like he was like, as far as like the acting of the MV was concerned, looked like that was gonna be his line. I gotta know. Outside of that, what a fucking vibe and a bop. Let's go, dude. Like, this song is awesome. Just it's that simple. This song is awesome. You got rap line with Hongjoong and Mingi going at it, and they're like, oh hey, by the way, we had this guy, you know, he's super beautiful and has a great voice and can dance and everything. He auditioned as a rapper, so we're gonna start letting him rap some more too in Seonghwa. Like, let's go. All right, so Mingi's 100% the bias, though. Don't get it twisted. Seonghwa clearly the main record. Ain't even close. But, dude, this is a bot. I gotta figure out how to put this on the Spotify playlist. I'm gonna figure it out. But let me know what you guys thought about this one. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Cheers to you guys, and we'll see y'all in the next one.